Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a border to a shape in Photoshop for two way. Okay, first of all, create a new layer, then click shape. Now see this many shapes. I use custom shapes. Okay, add shape. I see this. Added the shape. Hold shape. Then see this fix size. Okay, first I apply. First step one. See this stroke. Stroke color. Right. Another way to add border. See this click shape, color, effects, and edit stroke color black. I already added this color black. Okay, and see this stroke size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.